Changing your Aura Frame account email is a straightforward process that ensures your account remains secure while giving you flexibility in managing your login credentials. First, open the Aura app on your mobile device. You'll see your home screen with your list of digital frames. Next, navigate to the Settings section of the app. Look for the Settings icon, typically located in the menu or profile area. In Account Information, look for the option to change your email address. This is usually clearly labeled as Change Email Address or Update Email. You'll be prompted to enter your new email address and verify your current password. This security step ensures that only you can make changes to your account. After submitting your new email, Aura will send a verification email to your new address. Check your inbox and click the verification link to complete the email change process. This verification process ensures the security of your account by confirming that you have access to the new email address. Once verified, your account email will be successfully updated. Remember these important points. Always use a secure password. Check your spam folder for the verification email, and allow up to 15 minutes for the change to take effect across all your devices. After changing your Aura Frame account email, you need to review and update your sharing settings to ensure everyone can still contribute photos seamlessly. Start by reviewing your existing shared access permissions. Your old email may have been used to grant access to family and friends, so these settings need attention. Aura Frames offer 3 main sharing modes. Open sharing allows anyone with your frame's email to add photos. Invite only restricts access to specifically invited people. Family Circle creates a trusted group of regular contributors. Understanding access levels is crucial. Contributors can add and remove photos from your frame. Viewers can only see the content, but cannot make changes. Administrators have full control over all frame settings. To update your contributor email lists, navigate to Frame Settings and select Add Members. Remove any old email addresses and add new ones as needed. This ensures only current valid email addresses have access. Don't forget to check your notification settings. The notification bell icon lets you control when and how you receive alerts about new photos added to your frame. If you encounter issues after changing your email, try these troubleshooting steps. Clear your app cache and restart the application. If sharing is still disrupted, re-invite contributors using their current email addresses. Remember these key points. Always verify your sharing settings after an email change, communicate with regular contributors about any access changes, and test photo sharing to ensure everything works properly.